In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload a PDF or text file in Perplexity. Whether you're new to Perplexity AI or just need a quick refresher, this step-by-step tutorial will guide you through the process with ease. To start, open your preferred web browser and head over to Google. Once you're there, you'll want to enter the keyword Perplexity into the search bar. This will bring up a list of search results, and what you're looking for is the official Perplexity website. The link should appear there among the top results. Go ahead and click on it. Once you're on the Perplexity AI homepage, you'll notice it's designed to be intuitive and user-friendly, which is great for us as we dive into our task. The next thing you want to do is locate the clip icon. This icon is crucial as it serves as the portal for uploading files into Perplexity AI. It's typically positioned on the home page, so take a moment to find it. Click on that clip icon, and you'll be prompted to upload a PDF or text file from your device. Now, navigate through your folders and select the file you wish to upload. It could be a report, an article, or any document that you want to analyze or work with in Perplexity. Once you've located your file, select it and confirm the upload. After your file is uploaded, it's time to create a prompt. This is where you'll instruct Perplexity AI on what you'd like it to do with your document. A popular and useful prompt you might use could be something as simple as, "Summarize this PDF." Crafting your prompt is essential as it directs the AI to focus on the areas of the document that you are interested in understanding better. Once your prompt is set, look for the Submit button, which allows you to send your request to Perplexity AI. Clicking this will initiate the processing of your file according to the instructions you've provided in your prompt. The system now gets to work. During this time, Perplexity AI analyzes your document and performs the task you've requested. This might take a few moments depending on the complexity and length of your document. It's usually a quick process, but a little patience can go a long way. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can successfully upload and process a PDF or text file in Perplexity AI. This method is straightforward and efficient, making document analysis a breeze, whether you're summarizing a lengthy report or extracting key information quickly. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Now you can confidently use Perplexity AI to streamline your document uploading and analysis tasks. Thanks for watching, and happy analyzing!